All right, good morning, boys and girls. So we are going to be talking about today, when you know it's a multiplication or division problem, how do you do it? Okay, so how do you also figure out that it's a multiplication and division problem? All right, so this is going to be a multiplication word problem. So we are going to be using get. All right, we're going to use groups times number in each will give you the total. All right, so that's what we're going to be doing today. So let's read it to figure out how. How do we know this? Okay, so Sam has 5 purple balloons. All right, John has 4 times more purple balloons than Sam. How many purple balloons does John have? All right, so Sam has 5 purple balloons. Let's draw that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. So John has 4 times the more amount of balloons than Sam. So however many Sam has, John has 4 times that amount. Boys and girls, that is a key word. That is a key phrase of you knowing that this is multiplication. Because it's saying John has, all right, so the total for John, he has 4 times the amount that Sam does. So whatever Sam has, you're going to multiply that by 4. And that's going to be how much John has. Okay, so my question being asked is how many purple balloons does John have? So that's what I need to know. How many balloons does he have? Okay, all I know is that it's 4 times what Sam has. Okay, so let's go back. Let me redraw this. All right, so 4 times Sam will give you John's. Okay? All right, so how many does Sam have? Can we fill that in? How many does Sam have? Well, it says Sam has 5. So I can take out this S and put a 5 instead because I know that Sam has 5. So now can we fill this out? Can we figure out how many John has? Yes, we can. We can take the number of groups times number in each and figure out how many John has. All right, so 4 groups times 5, 5, 5, 5. All right, so we can count by 5s to figure this out. All right, you ready? So 5, 10, 15, 20. How many balloons does John have? He has 20. He has 20. So John has 20 balloons. That is 4 times the amount that Sam has. All right? All right, so, and I knew that because it talked about how John had this many times more than Sam. So if you're saying that Miss Burton has 3 times as many cookies as Miss Long, well, you're going to take Miss Long's cookies and multiply it by 3, and that's how many Miss Burton has. Okay? All right, boys and girls, so now we're going to talk about dividing. Okay, so here's a word problem, and we are going to be dividing in this word problem, okay? So I know that I have the total at the beginning divided by the number of groups, and that will give me how many's in each. All right, because I know that in a division problem, the total comes first. All right, so let's read this and figure out if we can understand why. McDonald's sold 42 McDoubles last week. If they sold an equal amount each day, how many sandwiches did they sell each day that week? All right, so do I know how many McDoubles they sold altogether? Yeah, they sold 42 McDoubles. That is the total. All right, so do I know how many days are in a week? Okay, how many days am I spreading out these 42 McDoubles between? Well, there are 7 days in a week, so I'm going to say divided by 7. All right, and then whatever that equals will be how many goes in each. So how many sandwiches did they sell each day? Okay? All right, so let's take our 7 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I ran out of space. 6, 7. All right, so between these 7 days, I'm going to share 42 between these 7 days, okay? Because I'm saying that there's going to be an equal amount in each day. So let's tally off and let's mark 1 per day and then start over like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. All right, so how many tallies are in each one? There are 6. There are 6 here, 6 here, 6 here, 6 here, 6, 6, and 6. All right, because it's an equal amount each day. Okay, so I took this 42 and I divided it between these 7 days. Okay, does that make sense? All right, so what is 42 divided by 7? How many's in each? 6. 6 in each. So about how many sandwiches did they sell each day? 6 sandwiches, or 6 McDoubles. All right. 6 McDoubles sold each